Museum of Glass Lviv city is located in the absolute center, historical center of the town, in the Plощa Rynok or Market Square. This is the entrance. Museum is located in the basement floor, yes. And not so very big museum for halls, but believe me, it's unique museum, it's very interesting. First of all, hall is dedicated to the history of the glass and tradition of the glass, let's to say. Every country has its own tradition for glass melting, and there are some short inscription, also in English by the way, and some information about the glass works in different countries, Europe, USA. You can watch very difficult glass works which were made maybe 200, maybe even 300 years ago. Yeah. Another hall, there is, as I understood, some temporary exhibition hall. It means that there are exhibits of different local glassworks masters. Yes, and I even noted when one exhibit was delivered by master, and I saw the master. By the way, not so very old man. Yeah, it was. And this hall is about technology of the glass. Yes, some chemical information, temperature of melting, time of melting. It needs a lot of energy, 1300 degrees. Yeah. And for example, here you can even melt your glass. You need to choose temperature, right time, components. Yes, and to melt, push the melt button. So congratulations, you melt the glass. And in the last hall there is exhibition of different glass works from all over the world. In Australia I found different glassworks masters, and as we see, the final products sometimes is very, very difficult. So I don't know, frankly speaking, I don't know how it's possible to do it. Yeah, because in one piece, different glasses, different colors. So it's really a piece of art. So to visit this museum can be very interesting for every person.